The Gulf of Mexico contains a galaxy of tiny animals, some no bigger than a pinhead. Creatures like bacteria, algae, and jellyfish. It's a dazzling display of nature that exists in nearly every ocean of the world. And then there's a phenomenon called marine snow. When these creatures join with other small particles like plants and animal wastes to form sticky flakes slowly drifting downward through the water column. As it descends to the ocean's floor, the marine snow picks up additional particles and grows larger until it becomes a major food source for animals, particularly for those living in the deep ocean. But what does this have to do with the Deepwater Horizon oil spill? In 2010, while millions of gallons of oil poured into the Gulf, something very unexpected happened. Wherever the currents took the oil, gently falling marine snow suddenly turned into a blizzard as it mixed with oil and dispersants. Left behind was an area of oiled sediments about the size of Delaware, covering the floor of the Gulf of Mexico. Research scientists at Texas A&M University in Galveston are investigating the interaction between marine snow, oil, and dispersants. Their first challenge was to create marine snow in the laboratory. Uda Passo is a specialist in biological oceanography.
Marine snow is really important because it's the only way how food gets transported to the deep ocean. Plants can only grow at the surface ocean because only there is some light. And so all the animals living deeper down where it is dark rely on this marine snow to bring food down to them.
Antonetta Quigg is a professor of marine biology. She is the team's lead scientist.
So this is really the first step in making the marine snow. We mix the plankton with the oil, or the oil plus the dispersant, and then we give them 2-3 hours. Sometimes it takes 6 to 7 hours. It's really important in helping us to understand why we saw so much marine snow formed after the spill, something that we haven't seen with other spill events that have occurred around the world.
Like most scientific studies, there are rarely quick or easy answers. Finding the precise link between marine snow, oil, and dispersants and their impact on marine animals will require continued research and collaboration with other scientists.